What's going on, crypto buffs? This is a new channel, brand new. I'm just gonna be out here offering some advice, some new strategies, any kind of my ancient knowledge into the crypto space, so that you guys don't lose money and maybe you can make some. With Bitcoin going to 65,000, topping out, seems like everybody kind of just wants to throw money at some of the cryptocurrency altcoins and hoping for that big moonshot. But is everybody FOMOing, or is there a better strategy that you can get into digital money and profit on any of your investments? So if you like the video at the end, help out a new channel. It's my first video, and I'm not going to say I'm not nervous, but I'm also not going to beg anybody to subscribe. So I just want to share the knowledge that I've gained over the past few years in cryptocurrency, and all this stuff is for free. And it's possibly maybe start some kind of a community so that we all help each other out. And I'm not going to be shilling coins to you guys so you guys can lose money and I can profit. So with that said, this is DBM Crypto, and everybody wants to know exactly how to earn cryptocurrency. A lot of the altcoin tokens you can earn for free. Most of the time, hey, nothing in life's free, right? But sometimes you can earn a substantial amount of crypto just by, paying attention, playing the system, being informed, being ready. By no means are these, any kind of big money or top ways to earn crypto. Obviously, there's other YouTubers that'll lead you down that path, but these are just some real quick tips and tricks that I've done just to kind of make a little bit of money on the side. It's free money. A lot of the ways that you can do it. So if you're, if you don't have a whole lot in your bank account, but you still want to get into crypto, this is the video for you. So these are just a few easy ways to earn cryptocurrency in 2021. I couldn't really talk about earning free crypto without mentioning the Brave browser, and this is one of the things that I did a few years back, and I kind of just stopped using it. Right when it came out, it had a few bugs, and there is a way now that whenever you download the Brave browser, you can actually convert it to, your Google Chrome. Take all your settings off Google Chrome, which is what I was using, and convert them right over to Brave browser. So anytime that you go to a website, you earn Brave browser tokens, which are also called basic attention tokens. And I remember when basic attention token was 4 cents. Now I think it's $1.50 or something. So this is just an easy way. If you're at home sitting around browsing the internet, get Brave browser. It's one of the most secure browsers out there. You're not going to be getting hacked. They're not selling your information. This is all private. It's based off of blockchain. So if you know anything about blockchain technology, and if you don't, that's fine. But it's unhackable, it's untraceable. So this is one of the things that that we need to do nowadays, especially in modern times. Privacy is valuable. So basic attention tokens, go for a little bit. And why not earn them if you're just surfing the internet, you're going on Facebook, YouTube, you're watching videos anyways. One of the tricks that I kind of learned, and I only did this about 3 days ago, but I just was kind of tinkering around with the Brave browser. And so one of the things that I kind of did was I just decided to download it again. But whenever you go to download your Brave browser, obviously it's going to ask you if you want to convert it to the default Google Chrome settings, which keeps all your bookmarks, all your passwords, all that good stuff. But whenever you go to Brave Rewards over here, you can actually see, I downloaded this a week ago, and I've got 10 basic attention tokens. So, you rack them up really quickly, and that's almost $13 just surfing the internet. That's very easy. So one of the things that I did that kind of gave me a good jump start was Now, I'm married, and we have a family, but just me and my wife have phones, so you can actually download the mobile version of Brave browser. And what I did was I just made my own account, grabbed my wife's phone, downloaded it, and I just synced them up so that I logged in into my Brave Rewards account, and I downloaded it for her, logged into her Brave Rewards account. I set that thing to default, so when she goes to a website on her phone, it comes up Brave browser. She has no choice. And I deleted Google Chrome, so hey, she could be mad, but also, we're making money just kind of browsing around. So I do think that you have to have around $25 worth of basic attention token, or 25 basic attention token, to pull it off and put it on your own personal wallet. But they also have other crypto wallets that you can download as well, and all this is pretty safe. So I haven't really tinkered around with any of this stuff, but I mean, hey, if you're looking to make free cryptocurrency just for your wife browsing the internet or browsing Facebook, do it. So get rid of Microsoft Edge, get rid of Google Chrome, download this Brave browser. I mean, it's just so much better, and it's private. It just replaces your current browser, so it's easy. It's easy thing to do. Another thing is airdrops. Now, for the longest time, I didn't know what airdrops were. I've heard of them. I knew some people were getting them. Binance actually does a lot of airdrops for new tokens, but I actually found a pretty good website that I've been using as of late, and I'll show it to you. It's a website called dropsearn.com. This just notifies you of any events that are coming up that are, any kind of events that might earn you tokens. A lot of these on here are a lot of art contests and registration and new tokens trying to get into the crypto space. But if you click up here and go to airdrops, you can actually see that some of these airdrops are actually pretty lucrative. I mean, some of the prize pool, like Binance prize pool, P2P video competition, that might not be for everybody, and I'm not really exactly 100% on P2P, but if I knew what it was, I'd be entering it. 10,000, was it 10,000? Yeah, 10,000 bucks, in a prize pool. Some of this stuff is pretty nice, and hey, if you've got an artistic ability and you're good at computer graphics and stuff like that, do it. I mean, you might win some of this. Some of these are $1,000 to $10,000, $500 to $1,500. Another way that you can kind of earn free cryptocurrency is on here. Drops Earn is through staking. This website just gives you the highest reward amount for staking, and if you don't know what staking is, it's essentially giving an exchange, locking your cryptocurrency down on an exchange, but then they also give you a percentage back each year. Now, I know with Coinbase, if you decide to stake, you can sit there and if you have a lot of cryptocurrency, you can sit there and watch it go up. It's not going to be substantial, but if you have an investment sitting around, I know, for instance, for me, I actually usually buy cryptocurrency every 2 weeks. I have an account where I buy cryptocurrency, just an assortment of things on Coinbase, and I put it in an account that I've set up for my children. And one of the cryptos that I actually buy is, let's see if I can find it here. Cosmos. Cosmos is the one that I stake. So I buy $20 worth of Cosmos every 2 weeks, and I just stake it. It gives me 5% back. And this is a test account, by the way, on Coinbase. So I'm just showing it to you. But anyways, that's staking. Like I said, it's not very lucrative, but if you just have something that that you're not going to touch go ahead and just stake it, because you can get more money back. It's just like, having money in the bank and you're accruing interest. And the last thing on this website that I want to show you guys is the referral site. So these are all the actual the current deals that talk about referrals. So you got Binance's referral program. This is really nice because you get up to 20% commission discount, and you get 40 if you are the one who actually refers. I know that, for instance, Coinbase, you get a free $10. If you sign somebody up, you'll have to check out some of this stuff. Like I said, this is all, small increments of free crypto that you can earn just sitting around. If you're kind of bored, just earn some crypto. Let's see. So the last thing I was going to show you guys, excuse me, because I'm actually going to use Google Chrome on this test account, but the last thing that I was going to show you guys was Coinbase Earn. So pretty much, if you have a Coinbase account and you decide that, I think you have to actually buy Bitcoin first, maybe $10 or something. But every now and then they'll have, do you want to learn about crypto? So you just sign up for it, you get on the wait list. And every now and then I'll get things like this where, I just take a little quiz and earn a little bit of crypto. They have a new coin that they're wanting to let you learn about. But as you can see, like this coin CeeLo, I've already earned let's see. I've already earned about $6. Here's another little portion. You can just start the tutorial and, like I said, you earn 5 of CeeLos. Now, a lot of times what I do with these coins is I'll either put them to another wallet and just keep them, or I will convert them to a coin that I want. Especially on Coinbase, since the conversion fees are free. So I'll just take this $11 and, I might buy Dogecoin. Who knows? It might not be beneficial in, a year, but in 5 years, I don't know, you could be a multimillionaire. So, but anyways, guys, like I said, first video. If you have any other advice, or if you have any other, secret knowledge that I'm missing, or ways to earn free crypto without, scamming somebody or hacking somebody, comment down below. Like the video. Like I said, I'm not going to make you subscribe. If you want to, I'm going to try to get some more videos out, because I still feel like I have more knowledge to give people in a way, so that I'm not acting as a financial advisor, because that's something that I'm not. I'm not a financial advisor. But this doesn't have to be financial advice. Oh, actually, you know what? This is financial advice. This is financial advice. Go get some free crypto. Thanks. Also, guys, not forcing you to do it, but if you want to look at some of the links down below, those are my referral codes. I'm not sure about you guys, but I always have a hard time getting somebody to, or to refer somebody whenever they're, wanting to buy crypto. It seems like a lot of times people just want to buy cryptocurrency. They don't care about, getting you $10 or, getting you on the referral code. But those are links. If you don't have those accounts, click on the links. Helps me out, helps the channel out. Comment if you did it, and share the love. Let somebody else get a referral code, or I might make an account, because I have multiple, accounts for some of the crypto that I have. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit like. Comment down below if I missed anything, and see you later. Thanks for watching.